Turning off simplified debts in Splitwise is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To disable simplified debts, you need to follow these instructions. Also, an option to disable debts shuffling within friends. Debt simplification can be disabled in groups on the group settings screen. Just turn to simplified debts, switch to off under advanced settings. Now the app will calculate who owes whom and how much. It will provide you with a list of payments to make or receive. You can then choose the payment method to settle up. Splitwise provides options for recording cash payments, checks, and external payment apps like PayPal or Venmo. So, follow the instructions provided by the app to mark the expenses as settled once the payment has been made. If you want to manage the way debts are simplified or divided differently, you will need to adjust the individual expenses within your groups. You can edit and customize how each expense is split, such as by specifying unequal shares or excluding certain participants.